Okay, today I'm going to show you something exciting. We're going to go and make a website over in Canva. Okay, so now we're over in Canva. You will need the paid version to be able to do this. And if you haven't got that, there's a link down below. So quickly go grab that and then come over and join me on making a website in Canva, totally free. Okay, so pause now if you need to go over and get Canva, and then you can follow along. If not, let's go. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to templates. And so in this search bar at the top here, I'm just going to type in website. And it will take me over to a load of website templates. Okay, so I can either just pick one. Go school. We got here. Here we go. And that loads for a website. How easy was that, hey? Now you obviously can change images. So I can go to elements and get images from there. I can upload my own images. I can go to photos. Yeah, I can bring in videos. I can change this text here. Now, I won't go through how to work Canva completely because I've actually got another tutorial with that as well. So go check that out to work out all the bits and pieces of Canva. So this is just really showing you how to create a website. So yeah, I can change any of these to whatever I want. And there is my whole fully built website. Now, all I have to do is obviously change the title to what I want the website called. To say, I don't know. And then I'll just quickly preview it to make sure it's looking okay. There we go. So that's what your website will look like. Pretty good, hey? You can have a look at it on tablet, mobile, make sure it's looking all good there. Just close that. Then we'll go over here to publish as a website. Up in the top right hand corner here. And you just have to pick, do you want the free domain, which is like through Canva? Or do you want to purchase a domain, or do you want to use an existing domain? Now, if you pick their free domain, I'll just quickly go on there. This is what your domain name is going to look like. What they call it, Australian schooling supplies. Okay, so that's what your URL will look like. So in this case, it'd be Australian Homeschooling Supplies.my.canva.site. So that's all cool, but it does sometimes look a bit unprofessional. So it depends on what you're actually using this website for. But it's a really good way to get a quick free website. If not, we can go back and we can purchase a domain name through Canva, or you can actually use your existing domain. My suggestion is don't purchase a domain name through them, but you definitely can build your website in here if that's easier for you. I've got a few links down below to some places that I suggest to get your website names from and your hosting that I've used for years and highly recommend, and are easy to work with the back end, and that's vitally important, and are in Australia too, so you'll be able to get help on the phone instead of having to just do the quick chats, you know, on the line chat and get no results. But anyway, so there's how you do, is that how you make a complete and utter simple, very quick website. Okay, so another way we can do it is just go and create your own design. Okay, so say you already, you know, spent hours making something and now you want to turn it into a website, for example. So I'm just going to pick, you know, this is an A4 size. So I'll just stay in templates again, only because I want to cheat. Fashion. It's going to bring a few things over. Okay. So I might be able to make that a little bit, design it a little bit better. I could go and change it and stuff like that. But for now, we're just going to make it a website. We'll just name it. And all we do is go to the three dots over here. Go to see all. Scroll down a little bit and find until it says website. Then it'll actually ask you how you actually want to display this. So if this is presentation size, I'll just go and open website here. This more or less comes through a bit more like a presentation, I suppose, like a Zoom presentation, for example, where you're scrolling through that way. I go back and I change this to scrolling. Okay, and then we can scroll down. And that's what your website looks like in there. Or we can go classic, which has got, you know, your titles across the top here. So if I just click that, it'll take me down to the thank you page. Do we do? Let's go back. And we have one more, which is just the standard one. Okay, so again, it's got the top, you know, your pages up here, your website, a name up here. And this is where they just scroll all the way down. Okay. So I'll just go back again, where those titles come from. So if I actually change this here to homepage, if I change this to about those, oops, our team. Thank you. Just get rid of that. And I'll do that again. These look much neater, so you can change the menu bar to however you like. Just going back here again. So I'm going to. So I'll just take you back here again. This is, oops, not the one I want. So this one I want. This will be your URL. Okay, so you can take that over to Bitly if you like, and you can shorten that, but it'll always be a little bit ugly. So, you know, transferring them over to another domain name might be your first option, but look how easy that was to create yourself a website. So if there's any more questions, yeah, just contact me on admin@rowena.com.au. I'm happy to help. Okay, we'll see you next time. Bye.